This roll of toilet paper, I am talking about this roll of toilet paper. We are going to talk about it during this video, and you will see why I have a roll of toilet paper, fresh roll. Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. In today's video, we're gonna do something fun. I'm going to use my black NYX pencil. Hello everyone, welcome to Simply Makeup. My name is V. If you're new to my channel, I want to say thank you for stopping by and that you took the time to watch my video. I hope that the message in this video will encourage you and help you to have a better day. To my old subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. Remember in the beginning, I told you about this toilet paper? Now, this is a fresh roll of toilet paper. My question to you about this toilet paper is, do you put your toilet paper this way where the end comes out like this and you roll? Or do you put your toilet paper this way and you roll this way? So, facing you or facing away from you. Let me know how you put your toilet paper. When you put it on that little swivel thing, do you put it facing away from you or do you put it to face towards you? I'll tell you which is my favorite way because one way annoys me a lot. Now we're gonna do blush. So while I put blush, let me know in the comments how you put your toilet paper on the swivel rolling thingy. I'm doing a black blush, and you'll see why later on. Today's I am was in the comments. It say I am at peace, joyous, and content. I am at peace, joyous, and content. That is such an achievement, because every day can be very, very challenging. But you just know some days we are just at peace, joyous, and content. Blush. No blush. Now that I have the eyes on, I am going to do something different today. So just follow along and you will see what I am doing. I will start right here. And I'm going to tie this in place. And I have this right now like this. Now that I've tied this, I'm going to do something different. I'm taking this brush and with the same Be Perfect palette, I am going to use this gold right here. Brow bone. Now let's see what we have created. Can you see? Can you see what I have created? Can you see it? I hope you can. Now I'm going to do the same thing for my cheeks. I am looking so beautiful. We're gonna do the same for the cheeks. Now let us see what I have created. Can you see it? I hope you can. Today's I am is I am at peace, joyous, and content. Hi everyone. Take a look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think about this look. I like to create different things. I like to do soft looks, bold looks, different things on this channel. If you like what you are seeing, I am asking you please to subscribe to this channel. There is always something different and it is always fun. The toilet paper is back. I personally like when it's facing me and I can roll it this way and cut it. To me, it is so much easier. The other way, to me, is too much. You pull way more than you need, and when you try to cut, it keeps rolling. I have better control of the toilet paper facing me. Let me know in the comments which way you like your toilet paper to face. Always remember you're first. Love yourself plenty. If you're struggling with any mental illness, troubling thoughts that are not healthy, please seek help. If you're sick with anything else, please seek help, find help, talk to someone, go to the doctor, find out what is going on. Don't sit home and nurse it and think it's going to get better. It just might not. Do not sit on any ailment. Seek help. Do not dim your light for another. Always keep shining. Keep shining as bright as you're supposed to, because this is what you are meant to do in this world. I love you. Stay peaceful, stay joyous, and be content. That is today's I am. Until I see you and you see me, keep rising and don't ever stop. Again, today's look. If you watch the whole process, and I hope you did watch the whole process, you will see how I created the gold over here, the gold on my cheeks. Thank you all very much for watching the video to the fullest. I will see you again soon. Bye bye.